Hey guys, welcome to Lake Pedder. This place is absolutely spectacular. Me and Mark have come out here to do a couple of days camping and fishing. I don't even know what to say about this place. It's absolutely amazing looking. We headed out Saturday afternoon. It's taken us probably about 2 hours to get out here. We've found this amazing little camping spot, so we've just set up camp. We've cracked open a couple of beers and we've actually headed out to catch the sunset. Look at that behind me, that's absolutely amazing. The plan here is to actually do some fishing, but yeah, I had no idea that this was right at the doorstep. It's only 2 hours from Hobart. It's absolutely incredible looking. I'm completely blown away by how beautiful it is. Look at this place. That's amazing. That's Scott's Peak behind me there. We're actually camped. We're camped a little bit further back, just over here somewhere. But bloody hell, this place is incredible. Can't wait to get out on the boat tomorrow and check this place out. We headed out for a quick fish this morning. Got a couple of taps, but no real luck. Caught an amazing sunrise, so hopefully we can catch another one of those tomorrow. So the spot that we've come out to camp is actually a place called the Hewan Campground. It's about 30 kilometres off the main road as you're heading towards Strathgordon, down a dirt road, but you can easily do it in a two-wheel drive car. The campground down here is actually really cool. It's completely free. All you need is a National Parks pass, and it's only about maybe 500 metres away from the boat ramp and the lake. So yeah, that lookout that we went up to last night, that was probably only a couple of kilometres away from here. So yeah, it's a really cool place. There's a lot of wildlife and stuff around. There's a toilet that's just a drop toilet, but it's got, yeah, it's well serviced, and there's a camp kitchen and everything here, fireplaces so you can have a fire. Yeah, really cool place to come and see. But we've just had brekkie and we're about to head out and have another fish, probably head around the island of Scott's Peak and yeah, see if we can catch anything.
Yeah, it's finished. Thanks for my beer though. It is actually.
Sorry, finally got a fish. Got him.
He's a nice size one.
Yeah.
Well done.
Grab a.
Happy with that?
Oh yeah.
We decided that after lunch we'd head up to the north end of the lake because we're camped down the south. So it's actually about an 80k drive up to the north end. And we've come out to check out the Gordon River Dam, and this dam is absolutely enormous. It's spectacular. The valley that goes down there is amazing. There's also, if you're not into camping and you want to see Lake Pedder, there's also like a wilderness retreat at Strathgordon. It's got Wi-Fi and a pub and restaurant and everything. So yeah, there's something for everybody out here. Well, after 3 days on the water, I think we can safely say that we caught the one and only fish that was in Lake Pedder. Apparently there is a lot of fish in there, but we haven't had any luck. We trolled for a fair amount of time using a heap of different lures, but yeah, no luck. No luck this weekend, but that's alright, that's what fishing's about. We still had a great time. Well guys, that's everything from Lake Pedder. We hope you guys enjoyed it. It's an amazing place to come, whether you want to go fishing, hiking, free camping. There's even luxury getaways that you can do. Don't forget to hit that like button down below if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.